How we get around is changing rapidly. Vehicles are becoming ever smarter, better connected, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Each step on the road to an integrated mobility future brings fresh ideas from innovators and new regulations, to ensure the best possible safety and security for travelers. New alliances are being formed to respond to the need for rapid change, and Murata can play a key role in connecting each player. As a world-leading innovator in electronics, Murata works with key players to develop the high-performance components they need to meet their challenges. For driverless systems, the exact position of the vehicle must be known at all times. Murata's high-precision MEMS sensors can deliver exact positioning, even when other data sources are lost. Meanwhile, our advanced V2X comms module relays positioning data from other vehicles, pedestrians and infrastructure. A key target for electric vehicles is to increase the time that a vehicle can operate between charges. Murata temperature sensing technologies can be utilized to help optimize efficiency, leading to a reduction in the size and weight of heat sinks. New high-temperature film capacitors and ceramic technology can make cooling systems both simpler and smaller. These technologies are ideally suited to the task of maintaining the vehicle's efficiency and reducing the weight of applications. On increasingly crowded streets, accurate sensing of surroundings is essential. Murata has developed high-performance ultrasonic and radar technologies which help eliminate blind spots, enable automated parking and increase accuracy for narrow roads. Additionally, Murata's ultrasonic technology can help to keep camera data clean by clearing lenses of water, dirt and ice. Driver monitoring and child presence detection are key to future safety. Murata utilizes Wi-Fi 6 and radar technologies in systems that can even detect a baby's breathing. As a world leader in capacitors, Murata continues to deliver increased performance in ever smaller packages and in a wider range of disruptive technology, with the highest possible levels of reliability for mobility applications that require long life in harsh conditions.